And shout out also to Michael from Georgia. Hello, buddy. Remember this place? This is where the first place we met, yo. And also shout out to my good friend from Detroit, Ian Murakami. I'm still alive, Ian. Come on over here, though. All right, thank you. Here I am.
Good morning, everyone. It is a wet Wednesday morning. We're going to take a little stroll down and around Fields Avenue, Walking Street, show you what's going on. It's been a month since I did this stroll down through here. Here's where we're starting. All the way down this end of the area. Like I said, just walk and talk and stroll. See what's new. I know I'm not the only one that walks through this area. There's at least 20 a month of people walking through here. You guys see this place here for rent. Commercial space, office building. That's new. Watch out. There's a nice bakery. Smells so good. Back in the city. Back in the noise. Back in the pollution. That is what it is, right? You guys taking a nap? That's to work hard. Got the ETA people. These are your ETA. They come up here and they sell their fresh fruits and vegetables. Boy, it's busy through here. Check it out, the road. They dug up the road. They dug up the road now. I think they're gonna lay hello. How many years you been here? How many years? 20 years. You guys been here a long time. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice people here. They dug up the road here. I think they're gonna asphalt it. That's new. 54.60 is the peso rate here. 54.60. The peso rate has changed. It's gone up. I just exchanged money Monday. It was 54.40 at Norma's. So the peso rate's going up. Guys, during my live stream, I'm just going to walk and talk. Hang on, let me get past this area here. I want to show you this here. She's still down. 54.60. This area here. Remember last month I showed you? This is the old Freelance Park. They were going to put they were going to bring back the little amusement park with all the games and rides and stuff. Well, that didn't last long. I guess the city came in, shut it down, said not going to happen, because this is where they're running the train through here. So that was shut down. Anyways, guys, let me tell you what I was going to tell you. Yesterday at the live stream, right, I was saying about how I wanted to show you guys this $100 crisp $100 bill I got from the bank. So I go to the bank, I pull US dollar out, and what I do is I will go to the changers here, money changers here, and get the rate and exchange my money. Well, I got all these crisp $100 bills, right? I went to Norma's, and a lady in Norma's, she was like looking at it, kept looking at it, this one bill, and looking at it, and I said, oh, it's all fresh, crisp $100 bills right from the bank. She says, yeah, but there's some writing on this one. And I said, let me see that. And she handed it back to me, and I just started laughing. Now, guys, I'm going to show you that crisp $100 bills, $100 bill, and show you what was marked on it. Now, don't get your panties in an uproar. Don't get your panties in an uproar, guys. I just found it funny. So here, check it out. Here's what was on that $100 bill directly from the bank. I don't know. I just thought it was funny. I thought it was funny. Anyways, back to our walk. More construction here, digging up the road. Looks like there's pipes. Whatever else is down in there. I'm good, buddy. I'm good, buddy. They're gonna give me a good price. You know, they see my face for the past 2.5 years during lockdown. Yet they still want to give me a good price. the way it is here. Like one guy told me, he goes, all it takes is one sale. Oh, you're right, buddy. Really got to watch out for stink foot. You don't want to step in that stink water in your chinelas or your flip-flops or your sneakers, or you will get stink foot. Don't want that stink foot. Yeah, right, buddy. All right. So what's new? I mean, there are some new things here. Oh, up on MacArthur Highway, they blacktop, they asphalt a part of MacArthur Highway, so that's new. And of course here, the road being chewed up and asphalted. We'll see when they do that. Hopefully they do it at night, not during the day. Then again, you never know. It's the main it's the main road coming through here. Takes you down to Hensonville, and it's the quickest route you can take. 5430 up at Natalia. I notice up here on the right, I think the one bar now is open during the day. Muggy, getting muggy out. Ah, yeah. I'm glad to be back in the city. Yeah, no, right. Glad to be back home. Did I miss the city? Yeah, no, I guess you could say, right? See, the one up here on the right, what's it called? That is now open during the day. SS, right here on the right. SS Club. This place is still open. Cabby's Steam. Or is it? Door's locked. I'll have to come up here during the evening. It's closed now. Doesn't say anything about out of business. It wouldn't surprise me a bit though if it did close down. Ladies' night, Monday to Wednesday, 9 p.m. Buddy, Makano to
Yes, sir.
SM Mall, Makano.
Only 100.
100, still 100.
Yeah.
No, not going up because of gas.
The gas very expensive.
Oh, I know. But at least you're keeping your price normal.
Normal, sir.
Yeah, normal. All right, thank you, buddy. Said I wanted to check. He's 100, which is the going rate. But I wonder what it'll be down here. I'll definitely have to ask down here further. Because different truck drivers, different prices. Billy's on the right. Envy on the right. People are complaining. I remember, I'm only telling you what I heard. I don't need it, Envies. But people are complaining, oh, their prices are going up, but their portions are getting smaller. I'm only repeating what I heard. Can't please everybody, right? It's just the way it works. Prices go up everywhere, right? Around the world. Where you're at, where I'm at. What's up, buddy? It's just what it is. Walking street, or as I call it during the day, the parking street. So many people park on this road. Ah, yeah. Rolling market. Atlantis Club now hiring mama sons with girls. What's up, buddy? There's 54.50. They're a little bit cheaper. I'm good, buddy. I'm good. I'm good, buddy.
Ryan.
Yeah. Want to shout out?
Yeah.
Give your shout out.
Hey, hello, Gary from South Dakota.
Gary
How are
from
you
South
doing,
Dakota.
buddy? I am here with Ryan, the main man in Angeles City.
There you go.
Walking Street.
All right, my man.
All right, buddy.
We'll talk to you later.
All right, man. You both got
We got some more workers up there. All right. Oh, yeah. This bar here is open. Sky Club, I can hear music coming out of it. I don't know if they're open. Maybe they're cleaning it up for the night. But I do hear music coming out of it. This place is for rent here, fully furnished. Commercial lease building for rent. That guy's vlogging. Must be a vlogger. He's vlogging me, I'm vlogging him. Ah, yeah. Coming up on Kokomo's on the right. The perch, as I call it. There's a few girls sitting out there eating breakfast. Never been a big, sorry guys, never been a big fan of Kokomo's food. 123 bar appears to be open. Music coming out of Angel Witch. Good music. Got to talk over it because you know how the copyright strikes go. They always got music playing there. They want everybody to hear their music. Quality, high quality bar. Bad Boys. I think they're open. I hear music coming out of them, so I think they're open. I'm not going to poke my head and find out. The Viking bar on the left is open. I know that for a fact. Huh? Daddy give me something. I don't know what she was saying. Look at this. I call it the parking street now. Everybody parks on the street. No, buddy, I'm good. ATM machine. I wonder if that's new. Cosplay's open. Look at this, you know, they're going to clean up the streets. Why can't they clean up these sidewalks? I always say though, hey, let the bar owners, let the owners of all these establishments down through here, let them pay to clean this up. You know, it's a damn shame. I mean, look at this. I remember 2012, 2013 when they put all this in. It looked beautiful, but they used probably cheap material, which caused not only the road, which they did dig up, to oh no, thank you, buddy. Have a lot of what? Many models. Yeah. All right. I remember when it looked beautiful. It looked beautiful, and then it just fell apart. Level 3. Music coming out of there. Gold bar. Tattoo place here on the right that's closed. Gossips on the right here, they're open now. Bar, DJ, lounge, shisha. Paro Bar. Open, but not open right now. Walk Around Hotel we're coming up on. Walk Around Hotel. Depends on which sign you look at. I told you they had a minor bird in there that used to hackle and whistle and call for trikes, and it's gone now. It's no longer in there. The girl told me there was an issue. Somebody saying about them having a parrot, or I don't know what it was. But it's no longer in there, and it's a shame. That was a cool bird. There's another ATM machine right there. All right, here we are. We are at the end. We're at the end of the walk. I'll get up here at night, because you know it looks a little different at night, right? The streets come alive at night. Well, there is our walk down through Fields Avenue walking street. Show you what's going on during the day, or not the walking street, the parking lot, the parking street during the day. Well, it is. I got this trike staying up, and somebody decided they're going to turn it into a little store on the inside of the trike stand. Can't beat that. Let me ask this guy. Buddy, Macano to SM?
Only 100.
100 too? All right. Still, price is still 100.
Yeah.
That's good. Even though gas is going up.
Yeah.
But it's still 100.
Yeah.
Still staying with that price.
Yeah.
All right, my man. Good deal. All right. Well, there it is. They're not jacking their prices up. They are what they are and what they've been. So, all right, guys, that's it. That's my walk, a Wet Wednesday walk. And with that, we will talk to you later.